I see it written all over their bodies. It's super sad. Their neurotic holding patterns. I can see their trapped anger, their sadness, the anxiety that affects them, right? Because of all the effects of trauma. It's just written on their bodies. And it just breaks my heart because I know that it's affecting their life, their career, their relationships, everything. It's affecting everything. And the saddest part is that I know what can help them. But I can't walk up to every person on the street, tap them on the shoulder, and just tell them what I just told you, and then show them how to do it, you know? That's impossible. But then 2 years ago, I got fed up. I got fed up with that feeling like I had this amazing gift that I couldn't share with anyone. So 2 years ago, I made the decision to organize my 12 years of study into a simple follow-along video series that doesn't explain any theory or unnecessary details, but only focuses on providing the quickest and easiest way to get the results from these 3 activation points. It took me over 2 years to build this, and there's nothing like this out there. So look, I'm going to count to 3. And in 3 seconds, if you're still here with me, then I'll assume that you're giving me the permission to share with you what I have worked on for the last 2 years. I think you're really going to like it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, cool. Thank you for still being with me here and giving me the opportunity and the permission to share with you what I've been working these last 2 years. I think it's really my life's work. And I'm excited to share it with you because looking back, when I was still an anxious mess and studying and trying to overcome my social anxiety and trying all these different things, what I was really missing boiled down to just 3 things. And once I had these 3 things, I started to get results almost instantaneously. And those 3 things were, number 1, knowing what will truly get us the results, right? That's obvious. If we're trying to go to your favorite restaurant, let's say, and you give me the right address, then all I have to do is put it in my GPS, follow the steps, and voila, we get to our destination because we started off with the right information, right? To get us where we wanted to go. Okay, so that's hugely important. So let's not overlook it, right? Very simple though. Okay, and number 2 is having someone to show me exactly what to do. Actually, kind of like driving, let's say, right? In high school, I had a driver's ed teacher, and he was a man who showed me exactly everything that I needed to do to pass my driver's test. The mirrors, 10-2, bell, look at the the whole thing, where to go, parallel park, whatever. And thanks to him and his guidance, I passed the test easily, and I got my license, right? No problem, because I had someone to show me exactly what to do. And same with this, same thing. And then number 3 is just doing the steps, right? But actually more than that, making it as easy as possible to do the steps so that we actually do it. Again, let's say if I'm going to drive to your favorite restaurant, but it's rush hour, and I may get stuck in traffic for an hour or over an hour. I don't want to go. That's too annoying to deal with. But if you give me a shortcut that avoids all the traffic and I can get there in 15 minutes instead of 1 hour, man, I'm there, right? And that's just human nature. If it's easier to do, there's a much higher chance that we will actually do it. And that's why I made this follow-along video series super simple and easy to do. It's kind of like the P90X of body-mind transformation. Just press play, follow along, and get the results.